Hello there. This is Cindy at cindybdesigns.com. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going through one of those phases right now, again, with that oral stuff where it really hurts to talk. And I'm going to get through this video with you for May Paper Pumpkin. And then next week we will do our alternatives. And I'll do a video on that too, but it will be silent. And I'll have my keyboard warrior stuff going on over the blog and, narrate that way. But for this month, I'm, going to try to get through this. I'm going to show you what's in the kit, then I'll come back in a minute after I've made all the cards and everything, and just kind of show what they look like. But this is called Sparkling Celebrations, May 2025. And 9 cards, 3 of each design here. And you can do that birthday, even a wedding, 4th of July, whatever you want, backyard parties. That'd be a lot of fun to do. So very lantern themed. And as usual, you have your card base and everything, and you stamp an image across that. So we're going to see that on the first card, the sentiment and whatnot. And then the second one, we got the sentiment. You have everything here. You got to cut something in half. And then for the third one, pretty much the same thing with how to put them together with some stamping and, again, the sentiment. Now, the colors in this are, and here's a stamp set. It's like a tree. There we go. That's what it looks like. And then the dies, separately. And this would go great with this month's, that little firecracker thingy there. Colors, they are Blackberry Bliss, Coastal Cabana, Daffodil Delight, Hydrangea Hue, Mellow Mambo, Misty Moonlight, Night of Navy, Pumpkin Pie, Black, Silver. Yeah, black and silver. And then, excuse me, you get a little Misty Moonlight stamping cube, like a half roll of tear and tape. Mini Stampin' Dimensionals, and then these silver druzy dots. And then we got, here's one of our card bases. And here's the other one with the lanterns. And, starry sky background there. I've got some really good alternatives going on in my head right now. And then, whoa, we have 1, 2, and 3. Then we have the stamp set. All these elements here that we saw. There's a little window opening there. And then our sentiment sheet. And this is our, all of our accent sheet there. So I'm going to put everything together, and I will come back and we'll get through that, and I'll see you back again in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I got everything put together here. 1, 2, and 3 cards. So for the first card, these pop out here, and you might want to save them for sentiments or something like that. Be careful when you lay this down, because when you open it up, it's only going to open up to there. And I had to put like a little dot over there to kind of cover up where I kinked it a little bit. So yeah, I had to compromise that. Got the sentiment down here. And then for these, you just pop those on dimensionals on the back, and there's 3 on top of them. But you don't lay them on top of other ones back here. On this panel, they're kind of staggered. So card number 1. Card number 2. You will want to lay this piece down first. I worked from the bottom on up, and I had to cut part of mine off. So that's why I'm, letting you know, put that down first. The rest is really easy, dimensionals, and put some of the druzies on there. And then for card number 3, very great, cut and dry. Put everything together there. Remember, you got your IKEA directions. Everything is always really easy for you. So I don't know when I can do a video again because of the talking thing. So, go over to the blog for a while, okay? And I'll put everything up there, measurements and things like that, and kind of wing it from there. But, I'm there at least twice a week, if not definitely always Wednesday. So let me know if there's anything I can do for you. Have a great week. I will see you again next week. And, take it easy.